Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to On Obs and Gynae channel. Today I will demonstrate the sterile technique of Foley urinary catheter insertion. So let's begin. First of all, confirm the indications of catheterization, verify the need for catheterization, check for contraindications, for example, suspected urethral injury. Explain the procedure of catheterization. Explain the purpose, explain the steps of catheterization to the patient, obtain consent and ensure privacy. Perform hand hygiene. Wash or sanitize your hands thoroughly. Gather the equipments for catheterization. Prepare, protect, perform, and promote comfort. The equipments include, first of all, sterile Foley's catheter of appropriate size, sterile catheterization tray, sterile gloves, antiseptic solution of chlorhexidine or povidone iodine, sterile lubricant or lignocaine gel if indicated, sterile drapes. 10 ml sterile water for balloon inflation, syringes if not preferred, urine collection bag, securing device or tape, disposable underpad. The points to remember is that maintain sterility, ensure patient comfort and dispose safely after use. Position the patient appropriately, which is supine position with the knees flexed and hips abducted, frog leg position. Maintain sterile technique. Open the sterile catheterization kit, put on sterile gloves, arrange sterile equipment. After aseptic measures and wearing the gloves, separate the labia with non-dominant hand. Clean the urethral meatus. Clean from front to back using a new swab for each stroke. Lubricate the catheter. Apply sterile lubricant generously to the catheter tip. Insert the catheter 5 to 7 cm until urine flows, then advance another 2 to 3 cm. Confirm urine flow in the catheter. Ensure urine drains freely before inflating the balloon. Inflate the balloon with recommended volume of sterile water, which is usually 10 ml or as specified by the manufacturer. Never inflate the balloon if urine has not been obtained or bladder placement is uncertain. The balloon inside the bladder will be inflated. Confirm the placement of catheter. For that, gently pull back until resistance is felt. Ensure continuous urine drainage. Connect the drainage back to the urinary catheter and do it without breaking the sterility. Keep the drainage back below the bladder level. Secure the catheter to the patient's thigh to reduce traction. Ensure tubing is not kinked. Documentation is very important. Document catheter size and type, balloon volume, the amount and appearance of urine, date and time of insertion, any complications and patient tolerance. The common complications of urinary catheterization include urinary tract infection, urethral trauma, false passage, which is rare in females, bleeding, pain or discomfort, balloon inflation in urethra, and avoid by ensuring urine flow before inflation. So important point to remember is that always ensure urine flow before inflating the balloon to ensure the catheter is in the bladder. Otherwise, there is chance of urethral injury. So I hope this documentation was helpful. Subscribe to On Obs and Gynae channel for more clinical skills and obstetric and gynecology videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.